Hi, everybody. Welcome to another Chats with Chaudhry. I hope you're safe and well. Today, I am delighted to be joined by Schleyer, who is the Project Manager, Plant and Site Development at Vetter Pharma. And today, we're going to be talking about small batch filling, which is a topic that Syntegon presented at a live stroke virtual event a couple of weeks ago, which Uta was at. So, Uta, lovely to join you. Where are you calling in from today?
I'm calling in from Ravensburg. It's in the south of Germany, close to Lake Constance.
Lovely. Well, it sounds lovely. It's sunny here in Surrey today. Is it sunny where you are?
No,
Oh, well,
unfortunately not.
well, hopefully this conversation will brighten up your day and bring the sunshine out.
I think so.
All right. So before we start talking about small batch filling, perhaps you could give viewers a quick background on Vetter Pharma and also a little about your own role as well.
Yeah, of course. Vetter is a leading global CDMO, which offers comprehensive fill and finish service from clinical development to products market launch and beyond. And I'm project manager in site and plant development, and my background is microbiologist. And I'm now a little bit more than 14 years with Vetter.
Fantastic. Well, you must have been very, very busy over the last 18 months since the pandemic hit, I would have thought. So let's talk about small batch filling. How has the trend towards small batch filling affected Vetter and also your own role?
So we have recognized this trend, of course, some times ago, and have therefore already anchored this in our strategy. And as you know, Vetter as a CDMO, of course, needs to be future oriented. That's why we are continuously monitoring and reacting to new market trends and customer requirements. We must be, of course, in the position to adapt our service if and when necessary. That's why we are currently also working with Syntegon on the development of a new industry approach.
Fantastic. So you mentioned that obviously you've seen it for the last few years, this trend. So what drivers have there been for customers to come to you to get more small batch filling projects done?
So one of the drivers are, of course, the raising orphan drug research and production for medicine for this yeah part.
Fine. Okay. And looking back at the Syntegon event from a couple of weeks ago, which sessions did you find the most useful and why?
Yeah, I'm already involved in this micro batch filling together with Syntegon. So therefore, I'm in this topic, and I haven't had so far the option to get more insights into these FFP line, and therefore I was keen to get more insights and like these videos to get inside the machine and to get guided. By the hosts into the machine and see the syringe moving there. Yeah.
Right. And did you get what sort of key learnings did you get out of the event?
So of course, by seeing this line, comparing it with a small scale micro batch line, it expands my knowledge into the technical possibilities of systems available on the market for manufacturing of small batch sizes.
Right. And having been to the event, do you think you will attend future events like that?
Yeah, I think so. I really like this 19 minutes format that fits well into my business day. And I also like these combination out of these videos together with these Q&A sessions that are live. So I'm pretty sure that I would attend a similar event.
Right. So looking ahead then, so where do you see the future for small batch filling, first of all?
So I think small scale pharmaceuticals require special solutions and very flexible filling concepts when producing small quantities, particularly fast batch changeovers, fast decontamination times, and a great attention to the yield will be required, especially if we can assume that the target groups for orphan drugs, the target groups and patient groups might become more specific than they already are. So for FADA as a pharmaceutical service provider in the field of aseptic filling, this is of course an important topic, a topic that we like to be involved actively.
Fantastic. And one final question then, as I've got you here. I mean, what other trends apart from small batch filling do you see developing now within pharma manufacturing, particularly since the pandemic has had such an impact in terms of customer expectation, if you like, in terms of how things are done now? You know, I know these people have been a lot more flexible, had to be a lot quicker in terms of how they produce things. So what other trends do you see developing now going forward?
Yeah, there are two trends that do not fit very well together. We have these small batches on one hand, and we have these huge batches for the vaccines on the other hand. And of course, there's a need for very short cycle times for the products to be delivered very early to the market, in case we have such situations like these pandemic we had or still having.
Right. Okay. Fantastic. Well, look, thank you very much for taking time out to share some of your experience and your knowledge with me today. It was lovely to meet you and great to hear from you. So thank you for that. If you want to get more information about Vetter, where can they get more information?
Just go to the website vetter.com.
Fantastic. All right. Well, we'll put the link above the video. And also, viewers, if you want to know more about the Syntegon event, I know a lot of the event itself is available on demand. So the link to the Syntegon event on small batch filling will be above the video as well. So all this time it says, Uta, thank you very much for taking the time out to talk to me. I hope it's sunny where you are. And if it's not, the sun comes out for the rest of the week, because it's certainly sunny here in the UK at the moment. And viewers, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. Until next time, as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.